The transition from traditional driving to electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, also known as EVTOLs, is driven by several factors, including the need for more efficient and sustainable modes of transportation, advancements in technology, and the demand for faster and more convenient travel options. One of the primary drivers of transition to EVTOL is the need to reduce carbon emissions and address climate change. Electrical aircraft have the potential to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions compared to traditional combustion engines. Additionally, eVTOLs can operate more quietly than traditional aircraft, reducing the noise and pollution in urban areas. Advancements in battery technology have made electric aircraft more practical with longer range and faster charging times. This has made eVTOLs a more viable option for transportation, particularly for short distance trips in urban areas. The demand for faster and more convenient travel options has also contributed to the interest of eVTOLs. With eVTOLs, passengers can avoid travel and traffic directly to their destination, bypassing the need for roads and highways. This could potentially reduce the travel time and make transportation more efficient. So overall, the transition to eVTOL is driven by a combination of environmental, technological, and economic factors and represent a promising new direction for the future of transportation. With that being said, countries around the world have showed interest in such technology. In 2017, Dubai have expressed interest in implementing flying taxi services and plans to test autonomous flying taxis developed by the German company called Volocopter. In 2019, the Saudi Arabian government signed an agreement with the German company called Lilium for the same purpose. Indonesia is already experimenting with the Chinese company EHang for transporting between its islands, and China itself is using EHang for firefighting. Germany is using the Volodrone for cargo, and USA is using Elroy for shipping. It should be noted that we are still in the early stages and there are significant regulatory and safety challenges that need to be addressed before these services could take full effect. Nonetheless, it is an exciting area of development that will transform transportation internationally. And in today's video, we will go through a few companies that are the giant leaders in this industry. Okay, let's start with the Chinese company EHang. EHang had the Model 184 and it was so successful. Now we are talking about EHang 216. The EHang 216 is an autonomous passenger drone that can carry up to 2 passengers. It has 16 motors and rotors, and the EHang 216 has a top speed of around 80 miles per hour, or what is so equivalent to about 100 kilometers per hour, and a flight time of up to 30 minutes. EHang is also improving its cargo, which is capable of 200 kilograms and a max of 35 kilometers. The second company from Germany, and that is Volkswagen. Volkswagen introduced the VMO concept at Geneva show in 2011. Now it's pushing that concept with the Chinese group and will be undergoing through some tests at the end of 2023. The VMO would be made primarily out of carbon fiber, which would make it lightweight and durable. It is designed to be just a little bit over 3 meters long and less than 2 meters wide, and that will make it small enough to be maneuverable in urban areas. It's intended to be lifting up to 4 passengers with their luggage and traveling for up to 200 kilometers. The VMO's electric powertrain is intended to provide efficient and environmental friendly propulsion. However, Volkswagen did not provide any details about the specific technology or engineering of the powertrain yet. Now let's go back to China, and we have this company called Autoflight. Autoflight has a model called V1500M, and it is capable of vertical and takeoff landing, as well as the transition to a fixed wing flight once in the air, providing increased speed, range, and endurance compared to traditional VTOL aircrafts. The V1500M is powered by a hybrid electric propulsion system that includes an internal combustion engine and an electric motor. The hybrid system provides improved efficiency and increased range compared to fully electric VTOL aircrafts. The V1500M has a maximum takeoff weight of 1500 kilograms and can carry a payload of up to 500 kilograms. It has a maximum speed of 250 kilometers an hour and a range of up to 1,000 kilometers per charge. The aircraft is designed for autonomous flight, however, it could also be piloted manually if needed. Autoflight is also improving its V400 cargo model, which is about 100 kilogram payload and 2.5 hours flight. I hope you found this information valuable, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.